One of the most difficult thing is to be a man that you have never seen in your life. Kuba indoda ongazange wayibona ikhona empilweni yakho. Kosise sithandana nabo nosise sichatha nabo, I think funeke babe patient enough. Uba sometimes mangena ngibuye emsebenzini ngingaphethanga singo okanye ngingena ngingasho ngingakhanga ngakunikeza ikiss ngathi benjani langa lakho ngaphuma mangiphuma ngangakunika ikiss ngasho ukuthi uzube nelanga elihle. It is because ukuthi into engazange ngayibona isenziwa from phambi kwami. Now I'm practicing what I've never seen happening in front of me, because uba indoda because of uyibonile isenzeka, and sine factory fault thina ngokwethu because awekho amadoda ke ama phambi kwethu. That is why indoda nobe umfana nobe efuna ushaywa ngumuntu omdala endleleni okuba abakutshela kahle ukuthi ungakulinga ongiqale khuphi okap. It is because ukuthi we have never seen a man ephakamisa ivoice ngizokushaya ke manje abathethiswa, just because we're living in the absentia of a man. There's no man that has father figured us. Ayikho indoda ekakhomba ngumno yathi ayenziwa lento yenza. That is why thina usibona sichitha nalapho ngafuneka ngichithe khona. Sithola ipartner right eyenza yonke into faithful esithandayo sichithe kunjalo. It is because ukuthi asikaze sabane nendoda ezothi ngane mbambe ke lo, lona mbambe lo, lona mthande, lona umfazi lo. We have never have that voice in us. That is why noba sisesontweni thina ubaba siqala ukuva mhlawumbe masingene esontweni asikaze ngoba khona indoda ezothi ayenziwa lento yenzayo. And kuba bonke masifake le challenge kuba bonke abantu abanaba amadoda azaziyo ukuthi azela abantwana abangabafana. You have a responsibility. Unobunkulunkulu ekufuneke ubasharile phezukompilo yomntana wakho, because if awuzuyenza lento manje umntana wakho uzosixaka ngakusasa because ufailile uba ubaba phezu kwalamntana ongumfana. Wena wethu ufailile if uzoba nomntana ongumfana yazi ukuthi une full responsibility. Anything ezokwenzeka azophuma ngayo endleleni kuzobuzwa wena uNkulunkulu. Sanibonani.